Welcome to my YouTube channel, MIZORAM Education Hub. Voina chuarin enge ganti don voina mensuration area questions kan solve nga questions Pawimawh do kan solve nga ma senga haulom tuk tuna chuna hauin tilo mai tenga ma seng in thiam nuale a concept clear nuwa chun mo intan olsam don tuk chumi ma chuan Telegram join lo chun join thia ma seng kala active vak lo Telegram a chuan WhatsApp join thea chun Instagram milo follow la channel in la subscribe lo chun in subscribe thea last video question pakhat ka page utro comment section a answer turin after 87 days engninge ani don if today is Tuesday hey mem if today is Tuesday ni chuan after 87 days engninge ani le don hemi homework on ju comment section answer turin katia tunan solve ang answer ni do options Wednesday, Thursday, Friday le Saturday ang answer voin Tuesday ani chuan nikhati voin angin ngaila 1 Tuesday ni dona 8 Tuesday ni dona 15 Tuesday ni dona 22 Tuesday ni dona 29 Tuesday ni dona 36 Tuesday ni dona 43 Tuesday ni dona somnga Tuesday ni dona somnga pasari Tuesday ni dona 64 po 71 po 78 chuan 85 po Tuesday ani dona tihian insol theirenga 7x plus 1 angin tiang point value in da theirenga mo ta hian answer churon chuak don thawa so 85th hi engni nge ni don ti chuan Tuesday ni dona 86th enge ni don ti chuan Wednesday ni dona 87th enge ni don ti chuan Thursday ni dona chuan 87 zwa mo after 87 chu enge 88th day chu enge ni don Friday ni don so answer will be what Friday and can answer ni dona kai video ka in learn lo chuan in anteni calendar questions answer tu on tam vea lo mom tuka hey Friday so voina chuan mensuration area question can solve dana comment section answer to question kalo da nge so question number 1 and patanga a man walked diagonally across a square lot okay a square pahatan siam patanga square tian square ania chuan approximately what is the percent saved by not walking along the edges heta trangyan hetilai thleng he kalphatanga chuan heta trangyan hetlai thleng he kalphatanga chan chu diagonally an tia diagonally omziange heta trangyan hetilai thleng emo du chuan heta trangyan hetlai thleng point ti thei thawa ma ta hian relate tu mula ta hian mi pakhat chu anu in boya thingpui fe vale lokte dora kala ta hana dor chu heta hian omani ta han dor oma DAWR jan heta an in oma anu in thingpui favor le lokla atia hey muang changin aram se tihiana kal case number 2 chu abial nu in a phone du ata local la lo leng la tia tihiana tla nai chu man mo tokin mo abial nu in a kola chumi wangchun diagonally in atlan pheya exact person nge a safety na dia mo a length so enge kan tiang tahian hashia thiam tumula mo tahian kazia kanga mother in a tichuan tihian akal dona chuan abial nu in tahian abial nu in tihian asam tihan ti save deilo tihian okay tura anu ina kola entinan hemi za meter angin ngai ila exam aron chua ve chon tiang ko ron chuak don nge tipo ka shia ma seng eng exam berang ron chua don ka soi thailo tiang hi conceptual ve dowa so anu in valei rotia tihian akal phota chuan tihian kala so exact distance nge cover ti chon d1 exact 100 plus 100 chu exact nge 200 meter ania maseng d2 exact nge bial nu in lo kola diagonally na a peitro so diagonal Pythagoras theorem kan mangchina hemi square equals to diagonal square engine so diagonal square equals to 100 square plus 100 square exact nge ni don sing khat ani dona chon sing khat ani dona so sing ni tro bel khomila d square sing ni chon d exact nge ni don tihian kan ziak theyam tihian kan ziak theitro tihian so d will be 100 root 2 so hemi distance 100 root 2 ania masang in shia chuan 100 root 2 hi enge value ani chen hey 100 multiplied by root 2 exact nge and root 1 chu 1 ani train root 2 chu 1.414 ani train root 3 chu 1.732 ani train root 4 chu 2 ani train tia ju initiate tangai ve exam are ungiven lo mai theine exam ungiven chon thadon lu tuka baseng exam ungiven lo chon tikhan initiate chona thadon lu so root 2 enge value te chon 1.414 tian point kan da sonanga anwaya bl pathuma omdona achungomi bl panile anwai mi bl pakhat tian kan cancel thia chon enge bang anwaya bl pakhata omatro he bl pakhati da so turin decimal khoyange kan dang heta hian decimal kan dang so enge final 141.4 so 141.4 meter tuna exact person nge safety chuan difference exact nge zani atrangin 141.4 divided by exact nge a base distance ka anu ina so exact ka 200 multiplied by 100 so 200 the train 141.4 kan pay chun exact nge ni don 58.6 ani dona chun divided by 2 achan jo 0 panile 0 pan hen cancel to tuna 58.6 si twin kan divide chon exact nge ni don 29.3 so 29.3 option a omlo ma seng enge kan question approximately anti tra so 29.3 bul neighbor number ange ti chon option number c kan answer maseng tuna mi tam takin tiang point an soi thei thawa ngatinge I anu ngatinge 200 kan lak ngatinge noya 141.4 kan lak lo achan ka silang chau he formula in shia tro final minus initial by initial into 100 in shia hey final hi ange 141.4 ania minus 200 divided by initial 200 ania multiply hemi value hi minus aron chuak dona maseng minus aron chua kha enge omzia chu hun kha la claim don distance ka cover claim don in shia chumi wangchun minus aron chok don abaga answer chuma wangai rang don eng mapo adang lam don lo tin chu so hemi question ania question number 2 ahian the ratio between length and breadth of a rectangular park is 3:2 if a man cycling along the boundary of the park at the speed of 12 km/h completes one round in 8 minutes then the area of the park okay hemi question here abialu ina thandei ti nai chuta hian okay enge achan chumo ta hen ka silang chau rectangular park oma a thren nuwa ril ru na lutuka tuna a jogging gym ate kalmo taksa ti moi don pa den so abialu nei le thenan okay apojin se heta trang hian cycle khalphei dona ti hiana khalphei charchar dona one round thil pahat claim concept ka athlu kan manga ti hian a khalphei charchara chu rectangular park a khalani chumo along the boundary nia chumi wangchon enge area kan assume do lo kan consider tur chu enge ni don a perimeter ani don mimo perimeter ania total distance chu so 2l plus b enge question hey ratio between length and breadth 3/2 ania so l by b point given up 3/2 until the cycle speed point given hey 12 km/h so speed point given at ahian kanda 12 km/h chimizwa a time point given voikat around hun exact nge lak ti chon time point given a exact nge 8 minute okay tahian color ka thlak lo ka okay 12 km/h le hemi 8 minute ania a unit kan thlak photang meter kan convert photang chan chu answer meter kan zon chu angai dona so 12 km/h train meter per second kan convert chon 5/18 in kan multiply train chu tiang bok chon 8 minute a second exact nge om train ti chon minute ka second somru ko om trina chumi wang chon minute 3 at a second 8 multiplied by somruk so 480 second om don so bak chu eng mapo zon chuangai to don lawa question area of park an teatro area of park tur chon l le b kan zon chuangai dona l le b chu heta trangen kan find out te don enge formula kha speed equals to distance by time tro kan ti them emo time equals to distance by speed po kan ti thai chumi wangjon a time heng zat nge zali le somriat second ania distance heng zat nge a distance chu a perimeter zat kha distance ani dona 2l plus b divided by total speed heng zat nge total speed chu hei total speed chu hemi hinia so total speed is 12 multiplied by 5 by 18 meter per second okay tuna hemi 16 can cancel there 2 times, hemi 16 can cancel there 3 times, hemi 2 le hemi 2 can cancel there tuna erase photri ila relote tan ti hian. Okay, tuna hemi 3 chu chunga chhode dona ti hian, chon hemi 5 meter per second chu ti hian angai rang dona ti hian. In shetiama hemi 3 le hemi 480 za somrukin kan cancel the dona, chon hemi second poi khita chhode dona second ta hen kan danga hemi second le hemi second hi kan cancela enge bang za somru ko banga, chon hemi chu kan cancel to hemi poi kan cancel to, chon hemi 5 meter hi 116 and can multiply de dona 5 meter multiplied by 160. Okay, za somruk le panga kan multiply chon engzat nge ani thin 008 800 L plus B 800 kan nei to, L plus B 800 kan nei to a L engzat nge 3 by 2 B nia khoi chang nge ron chua hei heta chang hian. So L equals to 3 by 2 B in each one tahian kan da de yang 800 equals to 3 by 2 B plus B. Tuna hemi hi kan solve nga engzat nge ni don 5 B by 2 ani dona 800, hemi le hemi kan cancel nga engzat nge za somruk, so B will be za somruk multiplied by 2, so bread kan nei to a engzat nge zathum le somni tahian kan da de nga zathum le somni. Chutiang bok chuan B heta kan da ve le L po kan find out te ngal dona 3 by 2 into B zathum somni, hemi le hemi an cancel nga 160, so 3 multiplied by 160 chu zali somri atania. Tuna eng ma pokan boy ngai to lau length into breadth hi kan final answer ni don achan chu area of rectangle chu length into breadth ania. So 48 le 32 kan multiply nga 48 le 32 0 pani chu nakina nuwa kan benglo thai kan add thai 8 to the 16 ania, 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 ania, 3 8 the 24 ania, 2 carry, 3 4 the 12 12 le pani chu som pali ania. So 6 3 5 1 chon nachinami bial pani kha anunga kandang 153 600 153 600 option number B hi kan answer. In shia tiam lo chon vekat in en le ton ya vekat in en non lenga in shia vek meng to in la shia tiam lo chon ke mai ka omlo whatsapp am lo zo thula ni velo thina question number 2B, a person jogged 10 times along the perimeter. Okay, khai tun tum chu 10 times along ani to ni o chu a beina salutuk mo nilengin extra to nilengin a jog to tin hai chu hemi rectangle ania mo hemi rectangular field ania L ania hemi B ania chuan speed and given a time pon given a maseng tun tum chu 10 times ania 10 times perimeter ka voice som lai kan multiply yang because voice som ti hian around char so omzia chu total distance exact mo cover don 10 times of perimeter hemi shia ula mo 10 times of perimeter enge formula 2 length plus breadth ania thil dang angen given if field has a length is twice its breadth animo twice its width ani chuan length equals to 2 time of B, hemi length mo 2 time of B ani dona tuna chon kan nei vek engkim all some then consult don what we have to find out in this question, what is the area bokani chu length into breadth bokani chu kan find out ngai don distance by speed equals to time nachin mi formula kan manglenga. So total distance exact nge 10 multiplied by 2 multiplied by L in tun tum 2B kan titonga chon plus B divided by speed exact nge speed 12 km/h ania chumi wangchun 12 5 by 18 meter per second ami ju ziangai tolo chan chumi tararon chu don a question ma zoga pokhan ka cancel ve kadro in anthai equals to 30 minute. Okay, 30 minute ania second exact nge tichun 60 second hemi second le second ga in cancel dona tuna hemi 18 ni chunga kan da de nga tahian 18 chunga kan da de yang uske baad enge kan tiang hemi 2 le hemi 12 hi 16 kan cancel nga hemi 6 le hemi 18 hi 3 kan cancel nga hemi 5 le hemi 10 hi 2 times in kan cancel nga so 3 2s are 6 tahian fresh time ka zia nga 6 multiplied by 2B plus B chu exact nge 3B nia equals to exact nge zat somthum le somru kan multiply chon sang khatle zaria tania hemi 6 le 3 kan multiply chon 18 ani da dro chon hemi 18 le hemi 1800 kan cancel chon B equals to 100 kan sheto no b equals to 100 ani chuan anula ta hian b equals to 100 ani chuan l engzat nge ni dan l chu hei 2 time of b ni tra chumi function 2b in enge kan siang 100 200 tuna l kan nei to 200 b kan nei to 100 engzat nge area ni don l into b chu 200 multiplied by 100 chu seeing ni meter square option a yes option number b hi kan answer hemi question hi comment section a answer in lo to manga if the length of rectangular field is twice its breadth nachimi ai nang do reng tinai chu hemi rectangle ane tro chon hemi length hi 2 time of breadth ania chon a man jogged around it at 4 times ania tuntum chu voili around a chon cover a distance of 6 kilometer what is the length of the field omzia chu hemi value hi in find out angai try chinula in thailo chon next video explain kalo tumang question number 3 an error 2% in excess is made while measuring the side of a square. Square pakhatoma a side antinan a asumila a ani chon hatapo a ni dona all sides are equal in the case of square. Maseng question ange question ange unmention chu 2% an excess an exceed tinania antitam tinania so a khamo 2% kan titam chon exact nge ni don a chon 100 plus 2 divided by 100 exact 1.0 tihianania so 1.02 a ani chuan a area po danglamang chu side length a ani lai khan a area a square ania 2% an increase nuwa 1.02 a ani dona chon exact nge area ni ati chuan 1.02 a square ani don hemi area train hemi kan minus anga divided by a base area omzia chu final minus initial by initial into 100 initiatia mem atira a nia second case a 2% an titama chumi wangchon a ani to don lo 1.02 a ani to dona chumi thil chu tan ka ziaka final exact nge final chu hey square minus initial exact nge a square divided by initial exact nge a square multiplied by 100 so amapon ka so zale pani square exact nge ni thin za 2 atama so 104 chon 2 square chu 04 ani thin chumi wang chon ta hen 10404 chon ei decimal zowa digit pani oma chon digit pani square chu digit pali nia chumi wang chon ta hian dot kan da ngai dot zowa digit pali om to tro okay chon a square minus a square divided by a square multiplied by 100 tuna heta po a square oma common kan la thai kan common heta po na kan zia kanga a square chon anwai mi a square nan kan cancel de ang enge bang don hey ti hian this will be the remaining 1.0404 train 1 kan pe chon enge bang don 0.0404 bang don chen ponami 100 nan hian kan multiply nga hemi dot thi kan da so nga anwaya bl pali om don achunga mi bl pani le hnoi mi bl pani kan cancel nga enge bang don 0404 bang don divided by 100 so hemi 0 chu eng ma po jiangai to lo anwaya bl pani oma khoyange decimal kan dang 4 le 0 in kara decimal kanda kan answer on chuak meang so 4.04% 4.04% hi kan answer in shia thialo chon video hi claim in ka trong rang point ka explain rang point ti theya baseng shia thiamen lo tum don ya ve khat ngai thlanon leula tuna the ratio between perimeter and the breadth of a rectangle is 5:1 okay ange rectangle a breadth hi exact nge okay breadth 1 ania 1 unit ania chon a perimeter 5 okay tan kan zia kanga perimeter ta perimeter divided by breadth and given a breadth exact nge 5/1 ania tro area of rectangle is 216 area of rectangle omjiange length into breadth and given a zanile som paruk ania what is the length of the rectangle hemi length hi exact nge value we can find out angaya tuna perimeter tahen perimeter ania perimeter nge formula kha 2l plus b ania divided by b ania equals to 5/1 to galom ti hanang mapo hey hemi solve vila 2l plus b equals to 5b nia hemi expand ila 2l plus 2b equals to 5b nia hemi le hemi kan cancel nga omze chu helama phe nga Chen elamaro kan transfer vele kan transfer vele engeni don 5b attain 2b kan pay chon 3b nia chen 2l equals to 3b engting kan zia the 2l equals to 3b engting kan zia the l equals to 3 by 2 b kan ti thai tuna hemi value hi tahian kan putanga l le b chu ron chuak mayang hey l multiplied by b equals to 216 ania l in 3 by 2b kan dang tahian 3 by 2b kan dang so hemi 3 le hemi 2160 kan cancel anga 72 times hemi 2 hi tahin kan multiply de anga 72 multiplied by 2 chu za somli pali ania chen b le b kan multiply anga b square okay b square ania 144 b square value of b square chu exact nge 144 ania value of b will be how much 12 so breadth kan muto breadth 12 ania hemi breadth hi hemi value hi tahian kan da de yang hemi value hi tahian kan da de yang so l equals to 3 by 2 into b exact nge 12 so 2 in 12 kan cancel 6 time 3 multiplied by 6 exact nge 18 in shutiam 18 meter option number C can answer tuna question number 5 the percentage increase in an area of a rectangle rectangle le bokana rectangle nia chuan the percentage increase in area of rectangle if each of its side is increased by 20% omzia chu hemi l ania hemi b ania hemi b ni le dona hemi opposite chu l ani dona initially a area chu l into b ani don maseng enge caution 20% antitam 20% antitam chuan l kha l ani to don lo l at 20% kan eranga so 1.2 l ani to dona 1.2 l chuan b po abret poi 1.2 b ani don area 2 enge ni don 1.2 l into 1.2 b omzia chu 1.44 l into b hemi shortcut poker shell don thau chu mo hemza so enge ni don final minus initial by initial into 100 voitam takasaita final minus initial into initial by 100 so final exact nge 1.44 lb nia minus initial exact nge lb nia divided by initial nge lb nia multiplied by 100 1.44 atang in 1 lb kan pechon exact nge bang don 0.44 lb bang dona divided by lb into 100 hemi lb le hemi lb kan cancel nga chon hemi point kan da son velen waya 0 paniom dona 0 le 0 0 pani le 0 pani kan cancel nga enge bang 44 che bang dona mo cancel nuwa kan answer option number C kan answer ni dona question increase ve tro length le breadth increase ve ya so plus a plus b plus a into b by 100 pakhat titlem ta se minus a kan tiang mo emo abret khatlem ta se minus b kan te train ma seng hemi case ahian plus ve kan tiang why because both length and breadth are getting increased 20% heta po 20% 20 into 20 divided by 100 so somni le somni chu exact nge memi ching pain somli nia chon 0 chunga mi pani le noi mi pani an cancela 2 le 2 exact nge multiply chon pali nia so somli le pali chu exact nge somli pali me la dikha hemi question hi a rectangular park 60 meter okay 60 meter long 60 meter long ania chuan 40 meter wide okay hemi 40 meter wide ania has two concrete crossroads running in the middle omzia chu tahian ka shelang chau okay hemi question hi hey alai taka hian kong pani om tina ni chu ti hian look ti hian le ti hian ei straight road ani ka draw straight low me ni chon as well as lawn ania rest of the park has been used as a lawn okay rest of the park has been used as a lawn tichuan heng how hi hey in muem hemi hi lawn anginan mang hey heng hi lawn anginan manga lawn hey po chan heng hi lawn anginan mang okay tuna kan solve anga man claim tluak manangai dona ta hian question angen given area of lawn and given lawn area angen sham hey hemi area hi mo hemi kan belanga chimichu lawn area nia so lawn area exact nge 2109 ania chon total area exact nge total area chu length into breadth hi ni mai lo am rectangle chu mo so 40 multiplied by 60 sang ni le zali meter square ania tuna hemi thili chu tu pon an sianga hemi pum puya tang hian so total rectangle tangin ashing zongjong hi peitaila enge kan ne yang concrete crossroad chu kan nei don an lo mi chumi chunia area of crossroad exact nge ni don area of rectangle minus area of lawn initiatia hemi rectangle pum puya tangin lawn area kan minus one kong kha concrete crossroad ka kan nei dona exact nge ni don area of road chu exact nge ni don area of rectangle is 2400 dania minus area of lawn exact nge 2109 kan minus one exact nge ron chu don zanile somkwa pakhat aran chuak dona meter square maseng width of the road anti hemi hi kan zon chuang ai dan hemi width thi initiatia hemi width thi anti nge kan zon chua thei don ei hemi figure chi hi enula achan chu thadain explain ka tum dona hemi le mo hemi kong hemi road le hemi road hi hemi length hi kan shia tangai dona chon hemi breadth hi kan shia tangai dona and after that hemi portion hi kan minus de ngade kan minus do hemi portion hi ngate kan minus do achan chu voi ni lai khami ka kan count thailo this is the reason so tahian enge kan ti thai heta tranghian he tilai thleng hi exact nge a length kha 60 meter ania multiplied by hemi distance chau hi kan multiplying x angin ngai la mo width of road x angin ngai ila tahan x kan multiply yang plus tuntum he ta trangen hemi zoki hemi road zoki kan endona chumi function he ta trangen hetlai distance exact nge 40 meter ania chon exact nge width of road x ania chon a kan minus don minus x square kan minus don enge x square hi hemi portion hi x square ania initiative x square ju voi ni kan count thei don lo shim equals to exact a viable common area exact nge ti chon zani som kwa pakha thei kan find out to tunami kan solve answer ron chuak mayang so 60x plus 40x minus x square equals to 291 somruk x le somli x to 100 x ania quadratic equation kan solve thei lawang ba kan solve thei don chiang duka exact nge x square minus 100x plus 291 equals to 0 ka rearrange mai x square hi helama ka da a tuna factorization minus 100x number pani kan thlanga add nuwa 100 add nuwa minus 100 ani tur chuan multiply nuwa 291 ni nge ngai number pani chu enge ni thei 97 le 3 no in practice na satlu tuk chon initiative ngal dona hey 97 minus 97 le minus 3 chu minus 100 ani dona chon minus 97 multiplied by 3 exact nge ni don 291 ani train ami shaula so x minus 97 common minus 3 x minus 91 equals to 0 x minus 3 le x minus 91 equals to 0 nia x in value pani ani don pakhachu 3 nia pakhachu 91 is not possible why because hein muam 40 chu width thania and tinge width tai tamani the don lelem crossroad kamo so x will be equals to 3 hemi 3 hi a width chu ani so option number b will be our answer. To now question number 7 the diagonal of the floor of rectangular closet hey is exact nge hey a diagonal and given a 7 half hi nge kan ti thai ama pon kasai to 7 half chu 15 by 2 anitrin chumi wangchon tahian hemi 7 half tia in 15 by 2 tila and shorter side of the closet is 4 half shorter side chu hemi nia toy zok mo te zoka so 9 by 2 ania what is the area of closet anti so area nge kha length into breadth kan shalo hey a breadth chu kan nei 9 by 2 maseng a length kan shalo hemi a length ania engtin nge kan find out o hemi 90 degree nia Pythagoras theorem kan mangani melom hemi distance square le hemi distance square equals to what diagonal square entry chumi wangchon tahian 9 by 2 square plus x square equals to 15 by 2 square. So 9 by 2 square chu 81 by 4 and shina x square equals to 15 by 2 square chu 225 by 4 and shin. Hemi 81 by 4 hata kan transfer pay de inga minus 81 by 4 and dona. Tuna zani somni pangatrain 81 kan pay chuan 414. Za somli pali by 4 and dona x square. If the value of x square is 144 by 4, then what will be the value of x? 12 by 2 and then cancel 6 and so value of x equals to 6. So hemi value hi kan shato hemi value kan shato area ngeni to don 9 by 2 multiplied by 6 and yang chu. So 9 3s are 27. Option number C hi kan answer. Oh hemi ranam tolawai a towel when bleached was found to have lost 20%. Lost anitro chumi function minus 20 kan tia length 20% loss achon 10% of its breadth or breadth po 10% loss thawani hi chumi function hata po minus 10 kan tia chuan plus minus 20 le minus 10 divided by 100 inshatiya minus 20 le minus 10 chu exact nge minus 30 chuan minus le minus multiplication are always plus anithin chuan 20 le 10 kan multiply chuan zani anidona zani divided by za chu pani anidona so som tu rain pani kan pay chuan exact nge anidon pay omzia chu mo hei assign a tam jok chumi function pay kati. Okay, so minus 28 kan answer anidona hemi minus yan enge a signify enge a denote ti chuan decreasing in area more decreasing in area tia chumi function kan value exact nge numeric value chu 28% idon. The length of rectangle is halved. Okay, mi rectangle ania atira chon length le breadth launita se hey a length le breadth nita se a length tuntrum kan ti half de ya chon a breadth hi ale thumin kan ti tam dei. What is the percentage change in area? Okay, area 1 exact nge length into breadth ania area 2 exact nge area 2 chu l by b 3b so 3 by 2 lb nia 1.5 inshatiam me 3 by 2 chu 1.5 2 pon inshatiam ngalang atira lb ania anwa 1.5 lb ni chuan lb atang in 1.5 lb ni chuan engemzia obviously 50% a increase tinania. So option number B can answer. Tuna hemi enge a rectangular field is to be fenced on 3 sides. Fenced on 3 sides antitra omzia chu hemi kan fence lawang a fourth nahi fence angai lautina ni chu leaving a side of 20 feet uncovered chuan hemi hi aneng lo velo unfence velo 20 meter mo unfence velowa hemi 20 meter ai chon rectangle hemi poi 20 meter ani don ti shaula. If the area of the field is 680 length into breadth and given side pakhadan given tro side pakhadan given awangin tahian 20 into l equals to 680 ngatinga tahan b ka zialo mi poi ka shilang chau 20 into b ngatinga ka tilo 0 le 0 nia chan 2 le hemi kan cancel anga 34 so value of l exact ngani don 34 inshatiya a length hi tam thin breadth ain chumi function tahan breadth ka dalo breadth tam de don sin breadth 34 ni anga a length 20 chon dona engtin ngani thei don chumi function value of l kan nei to hemi 34 ania hemi 34 ani chuan hemi poi 34 ni dona enge kan question how many feet of fencing will be required. Okay, fencing khoyange kan fence zone shimshimin heta hian kan fence sang chu pakhachu hetania ma pakhachu hetania jan pakhachu heta daijon fence angai velo so fine exact near 34 plus 20 plus 34 so 34 plus 20 plus 34 exact near 88 option amtra. Yes, option number D can answer. Okay, channel subscription reminder in duchan channel hi try di chon in subscribe thanks for watching and yes hemi question hi in trying going a question number yes 2C in trying comment section answer in lo tum don ya. Okay, so next video again mule tho don ya. Thank you.